How to change your region in PUBG Mobile. If you're trying to change your region in PUBG Mobile, then the process is quite easy. Launch open PUBG Mobile game on a device and sign in. Once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the arrow button at the bottom right corner from the home screen. And then click on the settings button. Inside the settings menu, you will see account info tab on the top left. Make sure you're inside account info, and once you are in, go ahead and click on the change button right next to country/region settings. Now choose a different country. From the drop-down, you'll not be able to make another changes once you do for 60 days. So I've recently changed my country and I'm not being able to do it anymore. But in your case, you might be able to do it. Simply go ahead and tap on the drop-down and select your preferred country. So that's from where you can easily change your region on PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.